Welcome back to Chili's Bakes Cakes. Today we are making one of the tallest cakes I have ever made. It's going to be super fun. It's just a quick, fun little tutorial and just a fun cake for you guys to watch and see. Alright, so to start out, I made 6 colored 4-inch cakes. They're just little mini cakes. And we started off by, after we made these cakes, we cut them in half. So then we had 12 little cakes. Yes, 12. I just got some little circles and they're really easy to find, and then I just started cutting out 3 different circles out of these cakes. As you can see, 3 different circles, and I did that to each cake, all 12 of them. As we cut out the cake, I set them all aside. Once the cakes were all cut and I had lots of different pieces, I put them back together, and it was kind of like a little puzzle. It was really fun to do. You can put them together in any way you guys want. I put them together in kind of a pattern, and we just put them back together, guys. Super fun. Then we stacked this cake and it got a little crazy. As we were stacking, this cake was 12 cakes high, you guys. 12 layers. And I just kept on stacking. I ended up having to put a few dowels in it because it almost crashed. I'm not gonna lie, the cake almost went over, but this was just a fun thing that I was doing in the kitchen, and I wanted you guys to see. I ended up getting it to stay up somehow. We just kind of frosted it in a messy, fun way. Put some sprinkles because yes. And then when we cut open this cake, guys, it was rainbow magic. Super fun. It was one of my funnest cakes I've ever made, but also one of the tallest and probably a little too tall. I hope you guys had fun watching this almost cake disaster today here at Chili's Baked Cakes, and have an awesome day, and make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys.